Hello students, this is Mr. Horton from Stockton Educational Center, and today I'm going to be teaching you a new skill, and that skill is going to be cleaning a grease board or a whiteboard. I'm going to demonstrate it, we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it yourself. The reason we're having this skill is because when you're at school or you're at home, you'll be able to help your teacher when it comes to cleaning up, or you'll be able to help your parents if they need at home redoing a list. Let me get the items that you're going to need. So we're going to have our grease board, and then we're going to have the eraser for the grease board. I've already have words written on here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that when we erase it, we don't need any chemicals. All we need is just this brush, and then you're going to move it in a circular motion all the way down until you get all the words off. And that's how you would clean a whiteboard. Now that I've demonstrated it, let's do it together. Make sure you locate your whiteboard, your eraser, and you're also going to need a marker for right now because you're going to need something to erase. So for example, I'm going to write cat. Make sure you put the lid back on your marker. So remember, when you're erasing it, small circles, we don't need any chemicals, and make sure you go thoroughly over the spot that you need to erase. Now that we've done it together, let's see you do it by yourself.